Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected. In the beginning, check if your headphones are connected with any other device. If they are, disconnect them from it. Next, restart your phone. And then try to connect them again. Next, you can check if headphones cable is damaged or if the aux jack in your smartphone is clean. You can also try to pair another pair of headphones. Thanks to this, you will learn if the problem is on the smartphone or on the headphones. In the end, you can reset smartphone and headphones to factory defaults. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.